this tutorial, we wanted to learn how the drug bank to have the scrape the data themselves. The drug bank has the database of the drugs, which has the libraries and the descriptions of one by one the drugs, which has the implications to the treatment, the dosage, the side effects, and many libraries which came at the drug bank themselves. At this lesson, we would learn how to scrape the data from the drug bank, so we could extract and search the so we can extract the data from the drug bank to be transferred into Excel or CSV, and the CSV became the search engine to the database of the drug bank themselves that could search. It could be the search at the name of the drug themselves or the name of the symptoms or the pathogen themselves. Okay, first I would skip the import and the because my custom is I wanted to focus on the algorithm themselves, and after that install the dependencies at the Python themselves, because the dependency themselves has because it is more prioritized at the algorithm first, and after that install the dependency. Okay, now at this I skip at the pip install or anything. Okay, first I have this variable situations, which is term and definitions. I make this to make the CSV header, the CSV at the first line of the CSV. It is the title. So at this I wanted to have the delimiter. Delimiter is not comma, but the delimiter is at, because if comma if comma is conjuncted with the word string, right? But if at, could be comma delimiter. It's substituting the comma delimiter. At this, I wanted to have the range of the drug bank. It is the data of the drug bank themselves, first to 1,500. Let's see, at this, the drug bank has for example, this one, UB00946. This one, the drug bank themselves has the number of the library themselves, which is, for example, it is range. So it is range the drug bank database. That's the drug bank database. Okay, so in this case, I wanted to extract the name of the drug themselves, and I wanted to skip to the disease. So it is only extract the name of the drug and the disease. So it is is the functions of the drug themselves. But I wanted to focus to the disease themselves, the pathogen or the disease themselves, and the name of the name of the drug. Because usually, if search at the search engine, search at the pathogen, such as the pathogen, and it could search the name of the drug themselves. Okay, so that to extract the data themselves. It is neat. So I set the range 1 to 1,500. So actually, the Drugbank has probably more data than this. And I not 77 because there is the data set 77 which is could not be accessed. So I skip that. Okay. The number is the number of I wanted to the number of the land themselves to have the database themselves. So I wanted to make, for example, this 942. 942 is has three. So 942 has three characters, right? 942. So I wanted to, for example, I wanted to show or to view the Drugbank number 942, like this one, Drugbank number 942. So I access the how many is the number themselves, 942. Number SRI, so 942 became there is three characters at 942. And after this, I wanted to make the suffix of those became 00942 because the Drugbank has five standard number. It is 009. So to make that become 00942, I wanted to have the suffix is 00 and the 942 became the number themselves. And after this, it is became this one. After this, it became the standard form at that standard form. After that, I save the URL at this one. So I save the URL and start the web scraping process. I make the variable soup with the response text, and I make two different. And I wanted to, so this I wanted to search the drug name themselves with the class. I copy this class is from this. If I click inspect, so I click inspect and this one. There is the DD class and this one. With this class, I copy this into this. The DD class, this one. So it is became the drug